Everybody I look for uncle in there pesado. Uncle, yeah, eat.
My nephew. This one. You call this one in Jamaica spice bun. Hey, we don't have this in Nigeria. Jesus Christ. The texture, the flavor. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. From I came to Jamaica, these people have been trying to tell me. These people are trying to tell me to try this Jamaican spice bun. Jesus Christ. Jesus. This is the nicest thing I've ever tasted in my whole entire life. This is nicer than jollof rice. This is nicer than fufu. This is nicer than uguse soup. Jesus Christ. Hi. Chineke oh. Jamaican spice bun.